The Lehaitre Tracked Motorcycle, a unique invention by French engineer J. Lehaitre, was introduced to the French Army in 1938-1939. Designed to replace traditional motorcycles in rugged and off-road conditions, the Lehaitre motorcycle featured a distinctive track system. The primary goal was to enhance mobility in challenging terrains where conventional motorcycles struggled. Lehaitre's design incorporated a rubber metal track, allowing the motorcycle to navigate through rough landscapes more effectively than wheeled counterparts. The motorcycle was also equipped with light armor, intended to protect the machine from damage during falls and collisions. This armor potentially offered additional protection for the rider from small arms fire. The steering mechanism relied on the flexibility of the track, which could bend in both directions, similar to the principle of a braking frame. However, this design led to stability issues during turns. To address this, a second prototype was developed with two additional side wheels, akin to training wheels on a child's bicycle, but positioned at the front. Despite these innovations, the Lehaitre motorcycle faced significant criticism during military trials. The evaluation committee found the machine too heavy, cumbersome, and ironically, less maneuverable in rough terrain compared to traditional motorcycles. The maximum speed of 30 kilometers per hour, achieved with a 500 cubic centimeter engine, was also deemed insufficient. The Lehaitre motorcycle weighed 414 kilograms, and its performance did not meet the Army's expectations. The Commission's conclusion was decisive. The machine was deemed unsuitable for military service due to its weight, handling difficulties, and inferior off-road capabilities. Despite the initial failure, the concept of a tracked motorcycle has persisted. Modern attempts continue to explore variations, such as combining wheels with tracks or using a ski plus track setup. These adaptations aim to improve accessibility and performance in diverse terrains, keeping the spirit of Lehaitre's innovation alive. In summary, the Lehaitre Tracked Motorcycle represented a bold attempt to revolutionize off-road mobility during the late 1930s. Although it did not meet military standards at the time, its legacy endures in ongoing efforts to create versatile and durable all-terrain vehicles.